Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to install application for the headphones OPPO Enco Air 4 Pro on your Android device. You have to start by open Play Store. Now go to search, click on search line and write Hey Melody. Then search and install it. Now open it, agree and continue. And here we go, we just did it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!